So I've got two GoPro 12 blacks here. This one points forward, this one points back at me. Now the critical camera is the one that goes forward, and it also is the camera that gets the audio, which is then plugged in so it'll connect to the radio when the plane comes on. Now what I'm hoping will work perfectly on the synchronization is that the camera that faces me will show my mouth moving at the same time that I'm talking, which would be really cool, because this one is not the critical camera. If I had this one and the talking on it, but I don't have the forward, it makes a really suboptimal video. So I really need to have the left camera be the one that gets both everything, and the right one is like my my B-roll. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to, since I've already practiced this, I'm going to unroll the cameras from this location. There we go. And this one. And then I'm going to sync them. This. And right here, sync time codes. Okay, so let's do this one on this one. There we go. So that time code is synced. And now on this one, there we go. So now both cameras have synced time codes. Turn off the time code maker. Now let's get up here. Okay, and we'll take this one there and plug that in. Now see, this is one of the things I really hate about these cameras is the touch screen. Okay, so now we go. We're going to plug that in. There we go. So it's now plugged in. And we're going to take this camera, turn it over here, and head it towards the front. Okay, so we have it all set. Let's just try turning this on. There we go. It seems to be on. I'm going to turn this one on. And it's on. Now let's get over and start the airplane and get going.